Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel and Viral Hack, your one-stop place for quick, natural and viral life hacks. Today we are talking something we all had cough and cold. So grab a cup of warm water, hit it like button and let's jump right into the 5 powerful home remedies that actually work. First up, the honey and ginger magic. Take 1 tablespoon of fresh ginger juice and mix it with 1 tablespoon of honey. Sip the soothing mix twice a day. It helps clear throat irritation, reduce coughing, and boost your immunity. Sweet, spicy, and super effective. So guys, move on to second remedies is strength from grandma kitchen. Tulsi in black pepper tea. Boil 4 to 5 tulsi leaves and pinch of black pepper in 1 cup of tea. Sip it warm twice a day. It boosts immunity and fight infection naturally. Bonus, it tasted amazing when you added a few drops of honey or jaggery. So guys, move on to third remedy, simple but powerful, the salt water gargle. Mix half a tablespoon of salt in a glass of water and gargle for 30 seconds. Do this 2-3 times a day to soothe your sore throat and reduce swelling, instant relief, zero side effect. So guys, fourth remedy is the golden healer turmeric milk. Mix half a tablespoon of turmeric in a cup of warm milk. Add a pinch of black pepper and sip it before bed. It helps you sleep better and speeds up recovery. Natural immunity booster in a cup. And finally, let's open up those stuffy nose. Boil some water, pour it into a large bowl and inhale the steam for 5 to 10 minutes. Add a few drops of Vicks if you have it. This helps loosen mucus, clear sinus and make breathing easier. Just be careful, don't go too close to the hot water. So guys, there are top 5 remedies for cough and cold. I think you like it. Till then, bye, take care guys. Thank you for watching my video.